In this video, I'll guide you through how you can optimize your WordPress website using LiteSpeed Cache plugin. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. At the beginning, you have to log in to your WordPress admin panel and click on plugins and then add a plugin. Now on this WordPress plugin directory, you have to search for LiteSpeed Cache. Once you found the plugin, then click on install button. Once the installation process is finished, then click on Active Plugin button. Once you activate the plugin, then it will be directed to this page. LiteSpeed Cache plugin allows you to use Quick.Cloud CDN. But if you didn't want to use this, then you have to click on Do not show this again. Then you have to click on Presets. Then on this page, you will find 5 presets that's set by LiteSpeed Cache plugin. You can go with Essential, Basic, Advanced, Aggressive, and Extreme. If you go with the Essential on, then this preset will automatically set the default cache, higher TTL, and browser cache. And if you go with the Basic on, then this will finish everything in Essential. Also, it will optimize your image and mobile cache. And the most recommended on is Advanced on. If you go with Advanced on, then Advanced plan will preset Essential and Basic and also set Guest mode and Guest optimization, CSS, JS, and HTML minification, font display optimization, and much more options. Also, you can go with Aggressive and Extreme. If you want to optimize your WordPress website within a minute using the LiteSpeed Cache plugin, then I prefer you to go with the Advanced mode. So you have to click on Apply Preset and hit OK. Then you can easily optimize your WordPress website within a minute. But if you want to do it manually, then follow me. At first, you have to click on General and scroll down. And if you want to use Quick.Cloud CDN, then you can go with this one. Or you can skip this step. So I'm going with the Cache option. If you want to enable Cache, then you can enable this. From this page, you can also set Cache in Login User, Cache in Common, Cache REST API, Cache login page, then you can enable all of this and save the changes. Then click on TTL and keep it default. Then parse and enable this. Then click on exclude. If you want to set any page or post from cache data, then you can add this URL here. Then click on ESI and if you want to enable cache admin bar, then you can enable this. Now click on object and if you want to set object cache, then you can enable this. Now click on browser and also you can enable the browser cache. Lastly, click on advanced and enable improved HTTPS compatibility. And if you want to enable the instant click, then you can enable this. Let me show you what is instant click. Once you hover a link, then this link will be enabled in your background. And once you click on it, then this page will open right away. This is called instant click. Now you have to click on CDN. If you are using any CDN to optimize your WordPress website, then you can go with this. Or you can skip this step. Now click on Image Optimization and click on Image Optimization Setting and enable Auto Request Cron to optimize original image. And if you want to remove backup image after optimization, then you can enable this. Then you have to enable Optimize losslessly. That means LiteSpeed Cache plugin will optimize your image without losing the quality. Then the next gen image format, and you have to choose this web pixel format. Lastly, save the changes and click on Image Optimization Summary and send optimization request. Now you have to click on Page Optimization. And if you want to minify the CSS, then you can enable this. Also, you can combine the CSS. And if you want to use the UCSS inline CSS, then you can enable this. Also, you can enable CSS combined external and inline. Then click on JS settings and enable JS minify and JS combine. Also, you can enable JS combine external and inline. Now click on HTML settings and minify the HTML. And click on media settings and enable lazy load image, responsive placeholder and click on VPI and enable this. Now we click on localization and if you want to enable the router cache, then you can enable this and save the changes. Now click on database. If you want to optimize your database, then you can click on clean all. And this is how you can easily optimize your WordPress website using the LiteSpeed Cache plugin. I hope you found this video useful. If you found this video useful, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and like this video.